In the hospitality business, it's all about speed, convenience, and presentation of your product. Gravity roller shelves from Perth Commercial Fridges and Equipment help you overcome the old problem of how to best display and replenish your drinks in the display fridges. The roller shelves, as you see, remove one drink and the next one's simply move to the front. Also easy to replace and replenish from the front. So products are always displayed at the front of the shelf at all times. The roller shelves can be adjusted for the width of each particular item that you're needing. So if you've got the 375ml cans, larger 600ml bottles, you can adjust the width very easily so the products are displayed and presented correctly. The roller shelves are suitable for the 430, 600, 1000 and 3-door 1500 litre display fridges. So remember, Perth Commercial Fridges, local stock, imported directly, so you save.